Let's pop open our incubator and grab some queen cocoons. It looks like this queen is ready, but she's a bit tired from chewing the wax. Luckily, I keep a stash of fresh nectar, and that's exactly what she wants. We store her and her sisters in this queenless colony, but next week they'll get their hive. Since this hive is queenless, they'll care for each princess equally.
I know this sounds strange, but queen bees are actually not born queens. They're created by either the hive or by beekeepers. We start off with a really strong colony, and we remove their queen. We also take away their eggs so they can't make any new queens. I then go to my breeder queen, who's in her 3rd season and is very successful, and using this special tool, I scoop out little larvae and put them into queen cups. These cups are then added to that strong queenless colony from before, and in about a week they turn them into little queen cocoons. If you see my other videos, you know that these cocoons hatch out in our incubator, and then one by one I add them to their very own colony.
Honeybee colony will raise dozens of queens, but the first to emerge kills the rest. We separate them to prevent this, allowing us to raise dozens of hives.
There is only one queen per hive, giving her unlimited access to pollen for fresh protein, honey for carbohydrates, and 10,000 bodyguards.
Queen color changes each year, on a 5-year rotation, starting over on the 6th year. It's a worldwide system. Beekeepers determined this long ago. So this queen is 2 years old, and this one is 3. Queens can sting, but it's rare. And unlike workers, they do not lose their stinger, so they survive the sting.
One of the craziest honey behaviors is queen balling. When I opened this colony, the queen was easy to find, but there's a giant clump of bees acting crazy, and at the center was a foreign queen. So the workers will ball the intruder by using their body heat to cook her to death, all for the survival of their queen. Watch how this beehive reacts to their queen versus a new queen. They immediately start to suffocate her, also known as balling. This technique can kill large enemies, like murder hornets.
The queen dies or becomes too old. Workers will take the last laid eggs and convert them to a queen, but low quality. Luckily, we specialize in queen bees, so we give them a production quality queen, and they don't skip a beat.